Hello and welcome back to this channel. We are still in India, in South India to be more precise, and today we're joining a traditional Indian cooking class. So this one is called Nima's Kitchen and she has been featured on Lonely Planet and #1 on TripAdvisor too, so we're very excited. It's just gonna be the two of us. We're gonna be cooking a vegetarian meal and this is what the cooking process looks like. As we arrived at the beautiful homestay where the cooking class takes place, we were greeted by our host and teacher Nima. We got dressed up right away and started preparing the dishes. Talk a bit more about the food we are making here. All of these, in total 6 dishes, are 100% vegetarian and typically from South India, at least that's what Nima told us. As ingredients, we almost exclusively used vegetables and spices, and a lot of them. We were definitely put to work here and I learned how to grate a coconut, but also how to hold a spatula the right way.
Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Food is all cooked, we are ready to go eat. We're trying the food. Everything's delicious. Very spicy in some parts and then mild in others. Love it. So what I am trying to say in this clip that unfortunately got destroyed by the winds is that we finished the cooking class successfully and it was a lot of fun. As we still have some time in Kochi this afternoon, we took a taxi to Putuvipe beach and that wasn't my best idea because we got dropped off in a section where there are 2 prisons right by the water on either side of us. There is also a lot of trash, so not a good idea to go swimming here either. But we're making the best of it, gonna have a walk along the beach, and at least we're seeing the Arabian Sea.
Ooh. Why you upset like Cinderella teens? You should see the things I fit inside these denim jeans. I can't associate with y'all this shit like ketamine. Been on 1, been on 2, been on everything. Bitch, I'm with my gang, with my squad, what the fuck you want? Soapy rolling gas, I can't hang, bitch, I'm fucking gone. I got people down from the jump, better know your bonds. I got people just tuning in, and the love is strong. Damn, they gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said, we gon'
look at this. As we are walking along the beach, we came across these cows just casually walking through the sand. That's really cool, and also up ahead there are some trees coming up, so it should get much nicer very soon. So after walking a bit further ahead, we've actually found quite a nice spot here at the beach. Still, you could probably find better spots in Kochi. That wraps up our short last day in Kochi. Had a great time at the cooking class, definitely recommend it, and yeah, the beach has been so-so. But still a great day again in the south of India. Now we're heading back up north. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
You must be blinded by the lights. We can't came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night.